the largest gold statue. In this image, we can see the largest gold statue. The statue is of Golden Buddha, which is commonly known as Phara Sukhothai Trimit. Actually, it is a gold seated Buddharupa statue, and the statue weighs near about 5.55 tons, which is equal to 5,500 kilograms. So we can imagine how big the statue is, and the entire statue is made of gold. The statue is located in the temple of Wat Trimit at Bangkok in Thailand. In 1954, a new building was built at the temple to house the statue. It was moved to its new location on 25th May 1955. Actually, there are many opinions of what exactly happened next, but it is clear that during the final attempt to lift the statue from its pedestal, the ropes broke and the statue fell on the ground. At that moment, some of the plaster coatings chipped off. Here, chipped off means damaged. Actually, the some of the plaster coatings were damaged, and this allowed the gold surface underneath to be seen. Work was immediately stopped so that an evaluation of the loss for such fall could be made. After that, all the plaster was carefully removed, and during the process, photos were taken and are now displayed in the temple for visitors. Actually, photos were taken at the time when the plaster was carefully removed, and those photos are now shown to the visitors in the temple. Pieces of the actual plaster are also displayed to the public. However, when all the plaster was removed, it was found that the gold statue actually consisted of 9 parts. Actually, it was found that the statue was built in the total 9 parts, and a key was also found encased in plaster at its base. Here, encased means surrounded or covered. Actually, a key was found at the base of the plaster, and now this key is used to dismantle the statue for the transportation of the statue to elsewhere. Actually, the key is necessary when the statue is to be transported to another place, and then with the key the entire statue is open and they are dismantled, and the key is used to disassemble the statue for the easy transportation. In this image, we can see the beautiful statue of Buddha. Actually, the entire statue is made of gold. The golden statue was discovered very close to the commemoration of the 25th Buddhist era. This means 2000 years since Gautam Buddha's passing. Here, commemoration means something that is done to give the respect to someone or to remember someone officially. So, at the time of commemoration, the statue was discovered first, and this was 2005 years since the Gautam Buddha passed. On 14 February 2010, a large new building was inaugurated at the Wat Trimit temple to house the gold Buddha. So, in today's video, we have come to know about the largest gold statue, which is the statue of Lord Buddha. And if the video is interesting, then please give a like for this video. Thank you. We are meeting in the next video.